Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. Yesterday OpenAI dropped their new model family called GPT 5.6 and this time naming is a little bit different. The number shows the generation of the model while the name shows the capacity of the model like Sol, Terra and Luna. Sol is their flagship and the most powerful, best for coding and agentic task model, and it comes with a ultra mode also. You can explore it, create sub agent and many things. And the Terra is their balanced model which like with a capacity of GPT 5.5 with low cost, and the Luna is their fastest and the cheapest option like available with daily task or your day-to-day high volume task. And you can check the pricing on their website. If you go to the benchmarks, terminal bench 2.3, you can clearly see that GPT 5.6 Sol Ultra and Sol surpassing the Mythos 5. Like Sol is equating with Mythos 5 and the GPT 5.6 Terra is equating with the Fable 5, and Luna is a little bit behind GPT 5.5. So you can see it. Now here's the interesting part. We can actually use these completely free for at least few days. So with 5 million tokens daily, let me show you how I can use it. So as you can see that I'm using GPT 5.6 Luna and we created a snake game. Let me show you. This is the snake game it created with the one go. Let me show you the prompt. This was the prompt, you can see it. A single line prompt created this game, and it is the by far most visible and most UI friendly game I have ever created with a model with single prompt. And I can guarantee that GPT 5.6 Soul is much more powerful than like Fable and maybe Mythos. So it is a like real world scenario where we will test by using it, then we will know that which model is more powerful. So now let me show you how you can use it. Go to your browser and search for Nara router, or you can go to this URL and create a account. I have already created. So you can see that you can use 5 million tokens completely free, and you can see that my recent like request is about the GPT 5.6 Luna. So you go to the models and you will see that GPT 5.6 Luna is completely free, but it will be free for a limited time. If you want to test it out before buying the actual model, you can test on the Nara router. So the question is how to use it with OpenCode or other things. So go to the integration tab and you can use any of these CLI tools to use the Nara router. I will go with the OpenCode, and you will need to go to this path on your Windows machine if you are on Windows. So go to this path and this Amit Y will be changed with your username, and there will be a opencode.json file. This will be a file, and if there is no file then create one and copy this content and paste it, this in this file, and you are good to go. And make sure you replace your API key with this key in your opencode.json file. Create API key over here, create button, and you will get a API key. Then you will open the OpenCode, change the models by /models, and you can search for GPT or Nara router according to your requirement. I will search Nara router because it is much more clear. Select the GPT and say hi, it will be working flawlessly. So as you can see that it is working. Let me ask the model name. As you can see that it is stating I'm GPT 5.6 Luna. So this is how you can use it or test the GPT 5.6 model without paying a single penny. And I hope this video will help you using the GPT 5.6 model. And if this help you, make sure you subscribe the YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.